Welcome back to the Roadrunner Scooters YouTube channel. In this quick video, we are going to show you how to replace the throttle display, also known as a throttle controller, on your electric scooter. Take your multi-tool or a 3mm Allen key and remove those two upper hex screws from the throttle display. There are two tiny hex nuts at the back of the throttle display. Hold them with your hand while unscrewing the hex screws. Now find a plug-and-play connector and unplug the component. The connector is under the wire cover here, so in order to access the plug-and-play connector, you might need to remove one or two zip ties. Now take your new throttle controller and connect it right back. To install that, you have to first make sure to check the connector alignment. There is a pin that shows you how to reconnect your new component there. Just simply plug it in. Finally, take those two hex screws and hex nuts and tighten your new throttle display in place. If you need any replacement parts for your electric scooter, roadrunnerscooters.com got you covered. We have organized all parts by their scooter model, so it's super easy to find and purchase the parts you need. If you have any questions about our scooters, please contact our customer support at info@roadrunnerscooters.com. Please let us know what video you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Roadrunner Scooters. See you in our next video.